Jamb syllabus is a comprehensive document that outlines the topics and objectives for each subject that will be tested on in the Jamb examination. So studying with the Jamb syllabus is one of the effective ways to prepare for your Jamb examination. Over 3 weeks now, I've been receiving a lot of comments from my viewers and subscribers asking me on how to get or access the Jamb syllabus. So if you're one of those looking for an easy way to access the Jamb syllabus, then search no further, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step guide on how you can access the Jamb syllabus freely and even download it directly into your device. Sounds so good, right? You don't want to skip any part of this video for anything, because if you do, you will miss out completely. Hello and welcome to Academic Exploit. If you're watching this channel for the first time, I'm Emmanuel, and on this channel we make videos about exam preparation tips and guide, effective study guide, university admission, and personal development. So please do well to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that you get notified each time a new video is uploaded on this channel. Also do well to give this video a thumbs up, because when you do so, you're helping this video to spread to a greater number of students just like you on this platform. I really appreciate that. So having said all this, let's dive in. Alright, right now I'm on my phone screen, and the first thing you need to do is to open up your browser. It can either be Google Chrome, or whichever browser you prefer to use for this. Alright, but right now I'm using Google Chrome. So after opening up your browser, the first thing you need to do is to search for Jamb syllabus 2025. Alright, so you're going to search for Jamb syllabus 2025, and then when you click on search, it's going to open a new page for you. Now the first link that you're seeing on your phone screen is what you're going to click. The first link, which contains Jamb syllabus 2025/2026 PDF for all subjects. That is what you're going to click, okay, to get access to the Jamb syllabus and then download it to your phone. So we click on the first link, and then it will open a new page. Now when you get to this page that you're seeing on the phone screen now, all you need to do is to scroll down. All right, you just need to scroll down. Don't click anything yet, scroll down. So the moment you see Jamb syllabus 2025, then you're going to scroll down a bit, and you see below is the complete Jamb syllabus 2025. Now forget about all these adverts and all this link on this website. You are not going to click on anything yet. Don't click on any of these links. All right, the only thing you're interested in here is to download your Jamb syllabus and then get it straight into your phone or whichever device you're using. All right, so you scroll down, and then you see subjects, you see serial number. Now when you get to this point, you now decide on whatever subject you want to download, whatever Jamb syllabus you want to download based on your subject combination for a course of study you choose during your Jamb registration. All right, so let me say I want to download mathematics, use of English, or whichever one you prefer to download or you want to download at the moment. But right now let me download mathematics. So the only thing I need to do is to click on mathematics, and it's going to open a new page for me. So let's just wait for a while so that it can load and open that page. All right, it's done opening the page. So after that, you scroll down again. Remember, don't click on anything yet. So you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you see download. That's what you're after. All right, yes, this is what you're looking for. Jamb 2025 mathematics syllabus PDF download. Now once you see this download button, this green download button, you click on it, and it's going to open a fresh page for you showing the Jamb syllabus for mathematics in the PDF format.
Now, if you're using Google Chrome, you're going to see opening. The moment you click on that download and it open up this fresh page, you see opening. So once I click on this opening, it's going to open up to me where I want to save this document, where exactly I want to save this document. So for now, I would like to save this document in my notes. All right, in my notes. So this is my notes. Yes. So let me name this document as Jamb Syllabus. Jamb Syllabus 2025. Okay. And that is saved in my notes. Now, if you want to check it, you just need to go back to the full screen and then click on the Notes app, and you're going to see Jamb Syllabus 2025. Okay, so here we have the Jamb Syllabus for mathematics, and we have everything here. We also have the recommended textbooks for the mathematics. All right, so we have everything concerning the Jamb Syllabus of mathematics in this PDF. So that is how you can get access to Jamb Syllabus and then download it straight into your device. All right, hold on, there is something very important I forgot to tell you from the beginning of this video, so I will urge you not to scroll away yet. Are you aware that you can still end up with a very poor Jamb score if you don't know how to use the Jamb Syllabus effectively? Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to create a special video on that. Okay, bye for now.